Okay, so here I am with Donkey Kong. Um, so I wanted to play Castlevania because I love Castlevania, but I feel like Mario is more in tune with like a classic. When you think of arcade games, you think of Donkey Kong. I also love the modern Donkey Kong games, so that's I would have been drawn to this. I don't know, just me and Donkey Kong are linked. But yeah. Or did I die? Oh, I didn't. Okay. So yeah, the graphics are absolutely atrocious. Mario is like 10 pixels, but it's okay. This style has its charm to it. Oh, wait. Oh, no, okay. Let's see if I can, no, 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 no. Oh, nice. No, no, no. No! Yes! Yes, let's do it. No, no, wait. I gotta dodge this one. I gotta dodge this one. Yes! Let's go. Yes, let's go, finally. That took me at least 20 tries. Okay. You will not have taken my quarters this time. Okay, well, I guess you would have taken my quarters. But, a game over? I just started. Okay, well, here we are with Donkey Kong again. Now, the reason why I picked Donkey Kong... No, I'm kidding. But, yeah, these games are definitely designed to take as many quarters as possible from a naive child like myself. Um, that style of game is okay because, you didn't have to, buy a home console back in the arcade times. Now, some of them were emerging around this time, but I do appreciate. I've never seen a barrel do that. Hold on. Oh, wait. Let's just. Nice. I would be a Donkey Kong master. Look at that. First level is mastered. I'd be the coolest kid in the arcade. But yeah, these graphics. Look at Donkey Kong. Like, why is he just asserting his dominance like that? These graphics are very weird. All right, let's try to jump on it. Ah, wait. Ooh, what the heck is this? I wonder if I can just. Ah, you can't move in the air apparently. Um. Oh, I still have some lives. Okay, let's go up here. Okay. Wait, what? Is there fall damage in this game? This game that came out in the 80s, there's fall damage? I don't understand what I have to do. Donkey Kong, curse you. There is fall damage in this game. I guess I have to make it on that one, but man. I guess I'd be the coolest kid at the first level of Donkey Kong. But